Okay, we have Samuel Bowman here today, and he has just made a creation. What do you have here?
It's a boat.
And what did you make them out of?
Magnets.
Wow. Can you tell us how you got the idea?
Well, you see, first I wanted to make a bridge, but then I saw I had some leftover pieces. Then I started building a cup, then I ran out of pieces, then voila, a boat.
Wow. It really looks nice, Sam. What sort of boat is it?
It's an aircraft carrier.
Okay, well that's very innovative. Yeah.
Whoa.
And how many people helped you build this?
0. 0. Cool, huh?
Yeah, so you did this all by yourself.
Yeah.
Wow. And we're just going to get a close-up of it. Looks really good.